Today we will discuss about the some editorial pages what we have learned in last week. So I started from the MedMath, a article about the nuclear test. So in this article they have saying recently USA President Donald Trump has said that Russia and China and even Pakistan they are doing nuclear test. So he is also considered to start the nuclear test. Even after the country who has nuclear weapons, so they has that much nuclear warhead they can destroy the world multiple times. But keeping the nuclear weapons is not a permanent safety. It not assure or guarantee any safety. But some country believe that if you has nuclear weapons, so it has a guarantee for your safety. They give example of Libya and Ukraine. Like Libya has give up their nuclear weapons after 1992 when USA has stopped proliferation of nuclear tests or nuclear weapons under a non-proliferation treaty. Then after Ukraine also give up their nuclear weapons. But right now, what is happening in Libya and what is happening in Ukraine? All we know about this. In Libya, there is a chaos in their country, and Ukraine it was invaded by Russia in 2022. But if there will be a more nuclear test, there will be a world disorder, power disorder, and the agreements, peace agreements, what we sign with the world, there will be no meaning of these agreements, and everything will be collapsed. Second is recently uh, health workers from India they are going abroad. According to a report of 2020 or 21, approximately 75,000 of doctors has went in OECN countries and 1.5 lakh nurses has went in OECN countries. So that is showing a demand of our health workers in abroad. But what we are struggling in India, as over 2.5 million students have appeared in NEET exams, but we have very less seats for these aspirants. So we need to improve our infrastructure because India has the in medical tourism we has a rank of 10th on the world, and in 2024 we get approximately $58 billion from the medical tourism. So if we will work on our medical infrastructure, so there will be very soon we will become a world medical tourism hub, and it will boost our economy also. Third editorial we will discuss about INS Iksak. That is a survey large vehicle, and this type of vessels shall be four vessels shall be commissioned in Indian Navy, and this Iksak has commissioned in Kochi base, and it is very beneficial for our naval because it will help to analyze the coastal and deep water data, and it will helpful for our submarines, and except from this it is also helpful in case of disaster and humanitarian assistance we can use these vessels. Or again, it has a capability or capacity to hospitalize to 200 or 250 persons at a time, so it is good for India. And as I talk about ISRO and NISAR, NASA and ISRO synthetic aperture radar, which was launched in July 2025, and on 7th of November, it is completely operational, and it has two radar, S and L radar. L radar has a capacity it can penetrate forest canopy, and it can check soil moisture and forest biomass, and S band has the capability to uh, provide the data of all all vegetations. So it will be helpful for India to provide data regarding disaster and flood like situations. It has a capability to scan Earth twice in every 12 days. It is the biggest or heaviest Earth observational satellite ever. And next, we will talk about Sarkrik region. There is a conflict or dispute going on between India and Pakistan on Sarkrik because there is a narrow water channel of 96 kilometers. As per the international law, India is claiming that if any water channel between any countries, so there should be a middle line which will be a boundary of boundary demarcation line between the both countries. But Pakistan is claiming that it is not has the capacity to bring any ship on this water channel, and as no ships can come in Sarkarik region, so these law will not implement in this region, and they are claiming that eastern side of the Sarkarik it is a borderline. So right now we are doing exercise Tirshul, and they are also building their infrastructure near the Sarkarik region. So it is become a point of conflict between these countries.